Hello, grade 6. Today we are going to record the weekly review worksheet 2 of the final term that covers the particular triangles and the sign numbers, the relative numbers, okay? So starting by the first question, I have to calculate the missing angle in each triangle. So you all know that the sum of angles in a triangle is
180.
180. So here I have two known angles and one unknown. Okay, I have to find this unknown angle, which is xwy. Okay, so how do I write? I say that xwy plus wxy plus xyw equals 180. Okay, xwy is the angle I need to find. Wxy is 45 plus 45 equals 180. Okay, then xwy equals 180 minus 90, which is 90. So now I know that w is 90. What's the nature of this triangle?
Right isosceles.
It is right isosceles. It's not isosceles alone. It's not right alone. It's right isosceles triangle because I have
One right angle and two equal angles.
yes. So one right angle and two equal angles. So this is a right isosceles triangle. Who can mark for me the equal sides? Yes, Jamil.
The equal size is xw
And
yw.
you have to put those two marks in order to know what sides are equal. Okay? So the same steps should be done with the second triangle. So what will be, first of all, what's the missing angle in this case? It's T, U, V. After calculation, we will obtain 50 degree. Okay, which means that this is 50 degree. So what can I say about this triangle? Yes, Eba? Yes, it is isosceles triangle because it has two equal isosceles triangle. So what are the sides that are equal? Yes, Shahad?
VU
VU.
and VT.
Very good. Is this clear?
Yes.
Let us go for the third one. The same steps should be done. The calculations should be done in order to obtain RQP, and it will be equal to
35.
so in this case this triangle is isosceles. Okay, who can tell me what are the equal sides? Yes, Razan?
IP, IQ.
Very good. And the last one, the angle I should find is BCA. Who can tell me how can I find it? The same steps. Yes, Adam?
But A is equals to 90.
Yes, so I can do that. ABC and ACB equals 90. So 90 minus 35 is
55.
55. Very good. In this case, what's the nature of this triangle?
Right.
It's only right triangle. Why? Because it has one right angle. Is this clear?
Yeah.
Can we go to the second question? Okay. In this question, I need to construct a triangle KLM such that LM is 5 centimeters. I have two angles, KLM 40 and KML 100. So going back to the construction of a triangle, what do I do first? First,
Draw the line.
we draw the line LM, which is 5 centimeter. Then using a protractor, I measure the two angles and I construct the lines. In this case, we will obtain this triangle.
Yes.
Okay, LM measures 5 centimeters. Angle L is 40 and angle M is 100. In the second part, I need to calculate LKM, right?
Yes.
Which is the missing angle. So applying the same steps of calculation, what will be the measure of LKM?
40.
Yes, Ali. What will be the measure of LKM? 40 degrees, yes. So, this is 40. Okay, so now what's the nature of the triangle KLM? Yes, Kamal?
Isosceles triangle.
Very good. So it's isosceles. Why?
Since KLM equals to LKM equals to 40.
Very good. So I have two equal angles. Now, can I mark the equal sides?
Yes.
What are they? Celia, can you tell me what are they? The equal sides in this case?
KM and
Yes?
LM.
Very good. So KM is equal to LM. Okay? Now I need to draw the height issued from K. So how do I draw a height?
Yes, using a set square.
Very good. So using a set square, I put the small side on LM and I move it until the long side passes through K. So this is the height. So I extend LM and this is the height. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now question number 3. I need also to construct a triangle ABC such that AB equals 4, CAB equals 35, and CBA equals 55. Okay? So this could be the triangle. AB is 4 centimeters, right? So this is AB. Okay? CAB is equal to 35. And CBA is equal to 55. So now I need to calculate ACB. How do I calculate it? Using the steps that we know, the sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180. So after calculation, I figure out that ACB is equal to 90. Very good. So 180 minus 35 plus 55, it's equal to 90. So what's the nature of triangle ABC?
Right.
Very good. It's right triangle. Why? Because I have one right angle. Excellent. You all know that I can figure out the orthocenter directly in a right triangle. Who can tell me what's the orthocenter in a right triangle? Yes, Malak? C. Very good. So it's the vertex where the right angle is the orthocenter. So the orthocenter is C. Now, what's the center of the circle circumscribed? Yes, Adam? Midpoint of what?
Midpoint of the hypotenuse.
Very good. So it's the midpoint of hypotenuse. Midpoint of hypotenuse, which is in this case AB. Is this clear? So directly I can know the orthocenter and the center of the circle circumscribed in the right triangle. Now in question number 4, it talks about the relative numbers. So let us just remember what's the meaning of relative numbers. So now you know that I have two numbers, the positive number and the negative number. So suppose I have plus 2, this is a positive number. Minus 2, it is a negative number, and in this case I call those two opposite numbers. Why? Because they have the same abscissa but different sign. Okay? You have to know also that I have an axis of abscissa. Everything to the right of 0 is positive. Everything to the left of 0 is negative. Okay? And you have to know that all the positive numbers are greater than the negative numbers. Okay? Now I need to order each set of integers from least to greatest. What do you think is the smallest? You have to know that every unsigned number is positive. For example, if I have 98, it means that it's plus 98. So please, I need to order these numbers from least to greatest. Yes, Rudaina?
The first one is 5.
Very good. So 5 is the least number. Then?
19.
Yes.
And then 24.
Very good.
And then 46.
Okay.
And then 77.
And the last one?
98.
Excellent. Okay? So all of these are positive numbers, so I just arrange them as you know. Okay? Now the second one. Yes, Jad.
First you said minus 83.
Very good. So minus 83 is the least number. Then
Minus 69.
minus 62, you mean? Yes.
Then minus 47.
Very good.
And then minus 11.
Yes.
And then 38.
Yes.
At last,
And the greatest one is 56. Very good. Now I need to order each set of integers from greatest to least. Okay, Majid? What do you think is the greatest number out of all of these? 82 is the greatest.
82.
Then,
Then 50.
yes.
30.
2, yes.
8.
8.
Minus 41.
And the last one, minus 66. Okay, and the second one also I need to order it from the greatest to the least. Yes, Muhammad?
Minus 10.
Yes, minus 10 is the greatest one out of all of these. Then
Minus
minus 23.
23. Minus 56.
Yes.
Minus 51.
Minus 51.
Minus 71. Minus 80.
Very good. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay.